Hey, hi, this is Manjuna Chandriya. Welcome back to the channel. Today's session we'll be learning how to use a shortcut key for auto flash fill. So I have a data here with the full names. So we need to split it by first name and the last name. So we can use it using the text to column or text split formula. You can get the information here. Before rather than using that, there is one more simple, easy way of doing it. We just want to define what you needed in the first name. So show an example here. The example is you need the Rajesh as the first name. So I've selected. Select this entire range using a shift. Use Ctrl E. Now you can see automatically the system would understand that you need only first name of the in this text. So similarly, you can use Kumar, right? I'm just going to select the using a shift and down arrow key. Use Ctrl E, and you're able to get the second name here very quickly rather than using a formula or the text column. So let's jump into the sheet 3. So here there's a challenge where we have the employee information name as well as the mobile number. We need to split by name and the mobile number. Similarly, just use the same thing, Rahul Sharma. So I'm selecting this. I'm selecting the using a shift entire column, Control E. Now you see you can got your names here. Similarly, use mobile number here. Just give an example to them. The system can understand what you required. 3210. So I've just typed the same mobile number here. So holding the mouse, you can select this entire data and use Control E. So quickly we are able to get the mobile number as well as the employee name. Let's move on to the next sheet. So it is a little bit complicated where we have a name, employee number, and the mobile number. We need all this information into different columns, right? So let's do the same thing. Rahul Sharma. So I'm going to select this entire column till where we have data. Use Control E. Now you're able to see got your name here. We need the employee number. Use same thing, employee EMP001. So select this range, Control E, and you're able to get the employee number. Similarly, mobile number, just type it as 98765432110. So I'm going to select this column, use Control E, and quickly we got the information there. I've taken 3. You can do a number of things if it is in the same pattern and it has the information what you give an example here, and that will be auto-filled using a Control E shortcut key. I hope this function was helpful. Do let me know for any other function. I'll try to create a video on it. Thank you for your time. Happy learning.